Folks, it's Philip from Pacific Coast. We're doing it, going up our ladder on our 34-foot Tollycraft. It's a 1982, and we're gonna do the bridge video for you. Don't laugh about the beach balls and the water toys. He uses them to help support the canvas up on the bridge here to keep canvas from sloping and filling up with water. So that's why they're sort of scattered around. All the upholstery up here was replaced. It's really high quality. There's no tears or rips in it. It's as you would expect on a relatively late model boat. It's got an electric windlass with controls up here, and it's got the bow thruster control, both upper and lower stations, for easy maneuverability. Even though it's a twin direct drive boat, you still have great control. Digital RPM gauges, both port and starboard. Oil and temp gauges too. An Icon M504 up top, a Garmin 5212 chart plotter GPS map, and a 4010 model on the starboard side. You got an Echo Sounder, a 55C, and this Garmin autopilot. What a great looking boat. That's our video up top. I'm gonna put all the canvas back. We're gonna do a startup video for you. There's the solar panel, the Garmin radar. It's got the spikes to keep the birds off the canvas here. Lots of aerials, etc. Again, thanks for watching it. These videos are so important. We really appreciate you spending the time watching our videos. Thank you.